So, why cloud computing? Think of it this way. You don't have to buy a computer with a huge hard disk because you can save your files on the cloud using services like Dropbox. Not only that, but these files are available from any machine connected to the internet. You don't need to buy an expensive gaming computer to play graphics heavy games because you can use a web service like Parsec to play games on their server loaded with enough memory for seamless playing. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars for a program that you install onto your computer, you could pay $10 a month to subscribe to a service to use it through your web browser. How does this work for large businesses? If you are thinking in terms of your company's IT infrastructure, you no longer need to have people setting up physical servers and cabling. The countless hours and dollars spent maintaining a server room and the technology inside can now be used elsewhere. Even things like temperature regulation in the server room could be a source of headaches when setting up the IT department. When a piece of hardware breaks, you have to go through the whole procurement and setup process, which could take months. Cloud computing makes all of that the service provider's issue to solve and gives you a set fee to use the services over the internet. With cloud computing, you pay only when and what you consume. This avoids the overhead cost of buying too much physical space on premises. If you are about to run out, you can simply scale up on the cloud within minutes. I don't know about you, but I'm into saving money wherever possible. The cloud computing service providers take care of the physical infrastructure and their own huge data centers, so you and your engineers can worry about other more interesting things, saving you manpower and money. You also benefit from the massive economy of scale. Since larger cloud computing providers buy their capacities in huge quantities, they are able to offer a portion of their capacity to you for a much lower price than if you try to go out and get it for yourself. There are 6 major advantages to cloud computing. You can trade capital expense for variable expense, benefit from massive economies of scale, stop guessing about capacity, increase speed and agility, stop spending money running data centers, and go global in minutes. You no longer have to worry about buying too little or too much of something, and you only pay as you go, allowing you to focus your attention and money elsewhere.